today's video, we're going to be showing you how to fit Mark 1 Audi TT seats into a Volkswagen T4. It's easier than you think. Let's get into it. Right, today I'm going to fit these lovely Mark 1 Audi TT seats. My missus keeps saying they're grey, but they're meant to be ivory. Okay, with the colours I'm doing on the van, the green and the ivory, I think they work. Anyway, it's easy than you think to fit these. Mark 1 Audi TT seats are one of the perfect seats which will fit straight into your T4 onto the original bases, because between here and here on the rails on these Mark 1 TT seats, it's pretty much the exact same width as the rails on your standard seats. All you've got to do is this. It's pretty straightforward really. All you've got to do is, you see these rails here, they're flat along the bottom. All you've got to do is cut that knobbly bit off. These bits pop up when it's flat anyway. You just got to cut those knobbly bit off. You cut these off, you cut these off here, and then you just hammer that flat. And you can get rid of these if you want, just grind them off. But that's it, you just make that flat. Grind that off, hammer it flat, grind that off, and then you might have to drill new holes, but they've got holes all the way down them. So there we go, that is all you have to do to make these go onto the bases. Next, let's get the old seats out and let's get on with this job, shall we? God, there's a lot of crap in my van. Okay, the next thing you need to do is to get the seats out. It's pretty straightforward really. Underneath here, the seat bases, you've got a bolt, you've got a nut in each corner. These are what are they? Can't remember what they are. These are a 15mm socket. You just get that on there and you just start undoing them like that. That is that out, and then you can literally just lift the seat off its base. Okay, now it's a case of undoing these 4 bolts. You've got an Allen key there. You slide the seat all the way back. You've got an Allen key there, but you've got a nut underneath. And you slide the seat forward, and you've got the same on the back here and there. It's literally an Allen key with a nut on the bottom. Okay, there we have it, they are off. Luckily you can reuse the old bolts and nuts. Like my base, I had to twist it slightly to get to the nuts under there. I'm quite lucky. I've got I don't know if this is a factory option or not, someone in the comments can tell me, but I've got a built-in swivel seat on my base. Are these an option? It's a bloody good thing though. My bases have built-in swivel on them, built into them, which is quite cool. Now, let's get the seat on here and see where we've got to drill the holes. And pray to God I've actually remembered to charge my drill. Centre of that hole. The centre of that hole is 42.5 centimetres. So there. Okay, just on the outside edge of this hole is where I want to go. 3 centimetres in, and then just there. About right, and then 42.5 centimetres. There we go, 35.5. Whoa, it's a horrible noise. There you go. Is one base fitted. Now to get it back in the van. Oh God, there we go. Right, let's try and get this up. There we go. That is up into place. Let's get these nuts back on. One is in. I'm just going to test it out. You don't need to see that. That tilts it. Oh wow. Wow, you can adjust the height. Oh wow. Oh wow, yes. Oh, that's amazing. There's the seatbelt. Look at this. Oh yeah. Oh, seatbelt fits perfectly. Oh yes. Right, I'm going to crack on with the other side. You see now I did that one, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Seats are in and done. They could probably do with a wipe down, but I'm too impatient for that. So yeah, do you want to see how they look now? Just check it out. There we have it, people. Check that out. One little extra bit I did. These seats have the arm here that you click up to make the seats slide backwards and forwards. On the Audi TTs, because they're low cars, the thing was right out here with a handle on it. It was touching my leg, it was annoying me, so I've cut it down. I can still press that button and move the seats back and forward, no problem at all. But look at this. How good do they look? The green with the white. I do love that. The ivory, I should say. I love it. I think they're so good. They're going to be so difficult to keep clean, knowing me. Yes, check them out. Well happy with that. Well happy. That's so nice. Anyway, peeps, don't forget to like and subscribe and all that stuff. And I'll see you in the next one.